Are you tired of feeling stuck and unfulfilled in your life? Meet Cope's Rule, the key to unlocking your potential and reaching your goals. Cope's Rule is a principle that states that individuals and organisms tend to evolve in a way that allows them to exploit the resources that are most readily available to them. This principle is based on the idea that organisms will evolve in a way that allows them to adapt to their environment and survive. For example, let's say you are trying to build a successful career but you are struggling to find the right opportunities. According to Cope's Rule, you can start by identifying the resources that are most readily available to you and then figuring out how to exploit them. This might mean taking advantage of the skills and experience you already have or building new skills that will allow you to take advantage of new opportunities. Here are 3 tips for making use of Cope's Rule. Identify the resources that are most readily available to you. To make use of Cope's Rule, you need to start by identifying the resources that are most readily available to you. This might include your skills, experience, education, network, or even your location. Exploit those resources. Once you have identified the resources that are most readily available to you, you need to figure out how to exploit them. This might mean taking advantage of the skills and experience you already have or building new skills that will allow you to take advantage of new opportunities. Be open to new opportunities. To make the most of Cope's Rule, you need to be open to new opportunities and be willing to adapt to your environment. This might mean taking a new job, moving to a new city, or even starting your own business. In conclusion, Cope's Rule is a powerful tool for understanding how organisms evolve and adapt to their environment. By identifying the resources that are most readily available to you and exploiting them, you can achieve your goals and reach your full potential.